Pagkanindot. Casa Verde. Give me sa bar. This is the bar. Bar Berlin. Oh. If you want to drink and chill, here. And there's a billiard pool. Tonye? Checking the room. Beautiful. Wow.
Hotel resort na siya.
Private, yeah.
Yes,
So if you want order something in the middle,
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
you can just do this.
If you order just
may mga information sa reception, pwede mag
iPad gamit.
Wow.
Very
That's why it's
Sir, siya.
catch.
Oh. Wow. Katre. CR.
Very big box.
So lang, marami din yung actual tanan, ma'am. Monas,
So good.
Lidoro, ma'am.
Sensor.
Sensor.
Wow.
Wala makita.
Sensor.
May remote. Mag-remote to hugas your buli.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good. Wow. Very nice.
Good
Very
for
nice,
two.
Good for 2 plus 1.
Kung tuloy
Okay.
nyo. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Ito.
Carry
Pero
on.
usually is good for two.
Good for two.
Morning, nakita na ko tong
Kay Mercy.
Yeah. And
Mercedes.
one of my friend, Mercy and her sisters, they booked here.
Wow, nice.
Nakastay sila for 3 nights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least, di ba naman kayo sa feedback?
Kay
Feedback, the best.
nag-refer niya. After that,
Yes, idol ha. Nandito tayo sa Casa Verde, Camotes Island, Cebu, Philippines. Perting nindota.
they want to come back again.
Yes, ma'am. Kita nyo naman, ma'am. Very recommended.
Yes.
Very recommended.
So, cause sabi namin, because they have toured around.
Once I take photo first.
And then, daghan kami mga parang malaan may kaila ko.
Oh, nindot taoy. Nindot.
Yes, ma'am. 80 square meter.
Dito naman isa. Family siya, family?
Kailangan ang phone nasa reception. Okay.
Like master's bedroom.
No, it's a twin single.
Oh, twin single.
Second
Beautiful.
room, sir.
Oh my God, it's so big.
Yung lahat yan, ma'am, with TV. Tablet yapon.
Eh?
Nasa.
It's like a also big.
Beautiful. Ah. So this one like a house, like a unit. Yeah, Todd?
Apartment.
Yeah.
Condo na siya.
Condo na siya, no?
A small apartment. Yeah. You can stay here for months, weeks.
Maybe.
Pindot tayo, ma'am. Then, ang kaganda, ma'am, once check-in na mo ito, pwede naman sa facilities, jacuzzi, paddle court, billiard, gym, dagat, and then swimming pool. Then, bago lang nakakuha na among clipboard for diving.
Oh, so recently
Sige, punta niya ito niya, ma'am.
Oh,
Ano tayo, ma'am, sa CR?
yeah.
Sa CR, wala pa nakita ang CR.
Wait.
Wait lang daw.
Okay. View.
CR.
Oh, even bigger.
See,
More
sir,
bigger.
pwede yung video, sir.
Okay, go inside.
You go into the first one.
Video the
Okay,
toilet.
look. Oh. Yan panghugas. Automatic po.
Automatic remote control.
Ah.
So, lang,
Yes.
kano kaganda?
Oh,
Shower
ganda.
room.
Shower room.
My goodness,
Complete na siya.
so
Oh.
big. Look.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Shower room. The best. Oh. Dili ka pa malibang.
Hydraulic. Hydraulic pa siya. Basta audio lang ka, sensor man.
Nindo tama idol. O di na mo.
Oh,
None.
good.
If we,
All good.
maybe when we plan a trip with Matthew.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good place.
Ano?
Matthew.
Ay, ula ka uban.
Oh,
Sunod uban na siya.
4 to 6, yeah. This is a good place.
Gawas masingot ako eh.
Oh, good. Thanks,
Singot
sir.
idol.
Tapos,
Dito tayo ma'am, sa ano? Tapli sa dagat para kakita nyo sa aming jacuzzi. Dito yung
Camotes Island mga idol.
gusto yung maligo ng dagat ma'am. Pa doon sa dagat.
Oh. Wow.
Sa dagat.
ay, straight away sa dagat.
Yes.
Oh, goodness.
Ooh.
Look at that. Padung sa dagat. If you want to just
Wow.
dagat.
Beautiful. 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 Idol. That is the Casa Verde in Camotes Island, Cebu, Philippines. Very beautiful. And the guy who showed us, very talented. Yeah. Pangalan nga, sir?
Bernie sir, at your service.
Bernie. If you wanna come to Casa Verde, just look for Bernie. Right, sir?
Thank you sir.
All right. Bye-bye you.